And still in the courts, the Home Circuit Court today heard discussions between Everton Beach's Stout McDonald and murder convict Denverlyn Minot discussing failed attempts to kill McDonald's wife, Tonia. We have the details in this report.
Mr. McDonald kept his head down during the playing of the recordings. From aborted missions, lack of communication, transportation challenges to sleeping pills, alibi and money, the panel of 7 jurors consisting of 3 females heard 12 secretly recorded conversations between Mr. McDonald and Minot. In one of the conversations, the voice attributed to Mr. McDonald was livid after Minot failed to answer his routine evening call. They had the roadside and a call and not get no response. Mr. McDonald told Minot that he takes sleeping pills and that they must talk every night. The businessman also reminded Minot that he's a professional and that he needs to focus. After vowing repeatedly not to let it happen again, they were back to discussing the night's affairs and strategizing the next attempt. In another recording, Minot explained to Mr. McDonald that he aborted the mission after he spotted a boy sitting in a settee inside the house. "Me can't plan now if the little boy did it, know." Another plan was subsequently drafted. Minot suggested that Mr. McDonald should ring his cellular phone when leaving his business place in Port Antonio. Mr. McDonald told him that his journey home to Dolphin Bay would last half an hour. The businessman told Minot that he took the boy with him to take him out of the way and that he would drive the longer route to get home. In another recording, Minot complained about another failed attempt. He complained about the helper opening the veranda grill, allowing Tonia to dash inside. Minot also suggested that the mission to kill Mr. McDonald's wife could be successful on a Saturday, but the businessman dismissed the idea. "Can't work on a Saturday cause helper gone by 5. Mr. McDonald explained to Minot that if the helper leaves at that time, he will not have an alibi. Minot also complained that the taxi operator who took him to the dwelling for 3 nights had not been paid. Mr. McDonald and his co-accused Oscar Barnes are on trial for murder and conspiracy to murder. The trial continues on Thursday. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.